Hello everyone, welcome to Premier Math. Today we are going to learn about an easy method in Vedic math to find out the solution of linear equations. We will also solve some application based problems on this. So let's start our session. Our first question is find the values of x and y for the equations 2x plus 4y is equal to 10 and 2y plus 3x is equal to 11. In traditional system, we used to solve these problems with several steps. But in Vedic math, you just need to find out numerator of x, numerator of y and common denominator for x and y. So we will calculate the value of x and y as numerator upon denominator. Here we have two equations and three terms, that is x, y and constant. So you will write down the coefficient of these three terms in two equations as a 2 by 3 matrix. That is, coefficient of x in first equation is 2 and coefficient of y in first equation is 4. Coefficient of constant in first equation is 10. That is x, y and constant. Then in second equation, coefficient of x is equal to 3, coefficient of y is equal to 2 and coefficient of constant is 11. So to find out, first we will find out denominator of x, that is equal to denominator of y. So first you mark the middle term in the first row, that is 4. Even if you write 3 to 11 in first row, you have to mark the middle term as 2. So here the first row is 2, 4, 10. So I will mark the middle term as 4. Then you just cross multiply between 4 and 3, then minus 2 and 2 from it. That is 4 into 3 minus 2 into 2. This is your denominator. That is 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. This is your denominator. So I am finding out numerator of x. What is numerator of x? You just have to multiply between 4 into 11 and then minus subtract 10 into 2. That is 4 into 11 minus 10 into 2. That is 44 minus 20 is equal to 24. This is your numerator of x. So what is the value of x? X is equal to numerator of x divided by denominator of x, that is 24 by 8. So x is equal to 3. The same way to find out numerator of y. What is numerator of y? 2, 4, 10, 3, 2, 11. Just hide the y term. Then cross multiply between 10 into 3 minus 2 into 11. That is here 10 into 3 minus 2 into 11. This is your y term. Numerator of y is equal to 10 into 3 minus 2 into 11. That is 30 minus 22 is equal to 8. So y is equal to 8 by 8. Denominator is common for x and y, that is 1. So x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1. Here you don't need to write all these steps. You just can find out the answer from this 2 by 3 matrix itself. So let's solve second question. Here first equation is 2x plus y is equal to 5 and second equation is 3x minus 4y is equal to 2. So we will write down 2, 1, 5, that is x term 2, y coefficient 1 and y constant is 5. Next is 3 minus 4 and 2. 3 minus 4 and 2. So we will mark the middle term of first row, then cross multiply between 1 into 3, then subtract 2 into minus 4. So your denominator is equal to 1 into 3 minus 2 into minus 4. 2 into minus 4. That is 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. Then what is numerator of x is equal to 1 into 2 minus 5 into minus 4. That is 1 into 2 minus 5 into minus 4 is equal to 2 plus 20 is equal to 22. So your x is 22 by 11 is equal to 2. Then y is equal to 5 into 3 minus 2 into 2. That is y is equal to 15 minus 4 is equal to 11. So y is equal to 11 by 11 is equal to 1. Solution is 2, 1. So next question is 32x plus 12y is equal to 120 and 22x plus 17y is equal to 100. Here you can see first equation has large number, so I will simplify it here. That is this, I will divide this whole equation with 4. So 32 by 4 is equal to 8, 12 by 4 is equal to 3 and 120 by 4 is equal to 30. So I will write down these numbers 8, 3, 30 and 22, 17 and 100 in second equation. 22, 17 and 100. Always check the coefficient of x, y and constant and always write in a similar manner. So x is, value of x is, mark the middle term, 3 into 100 minus 17 into 30. 3 into 100, 300 minus 17 into 30 is equal to 17 into 3 is equal to 51. So 5 ton. 17 into 30 is 5 ton. Divided by 3 into 22 is equal to 66. 8 into 17. 8 into 7, 56. 8 into 1, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. So 136. So this is your x, that is minus 210 divided by 66 minus 136 is equal to minus 70. So your answer is 3. So to calculate y, your denominator is minus 70 and numerator is, always take, you already marked 3, then take the next number. Always remember this method. 30 into 22. 30 into 22 is 22 into 3 is 66. So 660 minus 8 into 100, 800. So your answer is 660 minus 800 is 140, minus 140 divided by minus 70. So your answer is 2. So x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. So this is your solution. Next is first equation, second equation. Just solve by yourself. So next is 5x plus 4y is equal to 3 and 2x minus 3y plus 8 is equal to 0. The first equation, from first equation we have 5, 4, 3 here. Then in second equation 8 will come here, that is minus 8. So 2, minus 3 and minus 8 in second row. So your x is, mark the middle term 4. Then x is equal to 4 into minus 8 is equal to minus 32. Then minus 3 into minus 3 is equal to minus 9. So that will, minus into minus will plus. So plus 9. Then 4 into 2 is equal to 8. 5 into minus 3 is equal to minus 15. So 8 minus minus 15 will be plus 15. So your answer is minus 23 divided by 23 is equal to minus 1. Same way y is equal to, denominator will be same, that is 23. Then numerator will be 3 into 2, that is 6, minus 5 into 8, that is 40. 5 into minus 8 is equal to minus 40. So minus into minus will be plus. So plus 40. So your answer is 46 by 23 is equal to 2. So your solution is xy is equal to minus 1, 2. Next is 5x plus 8y is equal to 40 and 11y plus 10x is equal to 80. So your first row will be 5, 8 and 40. Second row will be x value 10, 10, y value 11 and constant value 80. Here you can see 40 and 80. 40, 80 is in 1:2 ratio, and 5, 10 that is also in 1:2 ratio. So both x and constant are in 1:2 ratio. Then your y term will be 0. So here you can see, if you put 0 in first equation, so whenever your constant and one of the x or y is in same ratio, then the another term will be 0. That is, if your constant and x will be in same ratio, then y term will be 0. If your constant and y term will be in same ratio, x term will be 0. So let's check another example for this. Next is, here you can see 128 and 256 is in 1:2 ratio, and 64y and 128 is in 1:2 ratio. Then x term will be 0. So 64y is equal to 128 and y is equal to 128 by 64 is equal to 2. So your answer is xy is equal to 0, 2. Same way, next is, here you can see 1000 and 4080 is in 1:4 ratio, and 507x and 2028x is in 1:4 ratio. So your y term will be 0. Then 507x is equal to 1000. That is, x is equal to 1000 by 507. So this will be around 1.9, and your solution is xy is equal to 1.90. Next is an application based problem. A and B have some coins. If A gives 100 coins to B, then B will have twice the number of coins left with A. Instead, if B gives 40 coins to A, then A will have thrice the number of coins left with B. How many more coins does A have than B? So here A and B, if A gives 100 coins to B, that means A is losing 100 coins, so B gaining that 100 coins. Then there is a condition. If this process happens, B will have twice the number of coins left with A. That is, if this process happens, B will have, now what is B have? B have B plus 100. B will have twice the number of coins left with A. What is left with A? A minus 100. So that means B plus 100 is equal to 2A minus 200. That is 2A minus B is equal to, this 200 will come here. That is 300. So this is first equation. Then second, second condition, instead if B gives 40 coins to A. If B is giving 40 coins to A, that means A is gaining 40 coins. This is the second condition. If this second condition happens, A will have thrice the number of coins left with B. What does A will have? What does A have? A have A plus 40. A will have thrice the number of coins left with B. Thrice the number of coins left with B is equal to B minus 40. So that means A plus 40 is equal to 3B minus 120. That is, A minus 3B is equal to 40 will come here. That is minus 160. This is your second equation. So you have formed linear equations. Then I will make a matrix here, 2 by 3 matrix here. 2 minus 1, 300. 1 minus 3, minus 160. So 2 minus 1, 300, and 1 minus 3, minus 160. Then my x will be minus 1 into minus 160, that is 160. Then minus 300 into minus 3 is equal to minus 900. So minus into minus will be plus 900. Then divided by 1 into minus 1, minus 1. 2 into minus 3, 2 into minus 3, minus 6. Minus into minus will be plus. So 1060 divided by plus 5 is equal to 2, 1, 2. That is 200, 212. Next is y. You can put this x in any one of this equation and you can find y. But I will use this method because we have denominator 5. Numerator is 300 into 1, that is 300, minus 2 into minus 160, that is minus 320. So minus into minus will be plus. So plus 320, that is 620 divided by 5 is equal to 1. 6 by 5, 1. 12 by 5, 2. 20 by 5, 4. 124. So A is equal to 212 and B is equal to 124. Here, sorry, x and not x and y, it is A and B instead. Because this is A, this is B, this is C. So A is equal to 212 and B is equal to 124. Next is another question. The cost of admission to a popular music concert was $190 for 12 children and 5 adults. The admission was $122 for 8 children and 3 adults in another music concert. How much was the admission for each child and adult? So here you can form two linear equations. That is, for 12 children and 5 adults, for 12 children and 5 adults, concert fee was $190. $190. Then for 8 children and 3 adults, for 8 children and 3 adults, concert fee was $122. So when you form matrix, that means 12, 5, 190, 8, 3, 122. That is, this is children, this is adult, this is constant. Then your children fee is, mark the middle term, that is 5 into 122 and minus 190 into 3. 5 into 122. 5 into 100 is equal to 500. 5 into 22 is equal to 110. So 500 plus 110 is equal to 610. Minus 190 into 3. 100 into 3 is equal to 300. 90 into 3 is equal to 270. So 300 plus 270 is equal to 570. Divided by 5 into 8 is equal to 40. 12 into 3 is equal to 36. So 40 minus 36. That means 610 minus 570 is equal to 40. Then 40 minus 36 is equal to 4. That is, fees of children was 10 rupees. Then if you don't need to find out the adult fee by from matrix, you can put this children's fees value here. That is 12 into 10 plus 5a is equal to 190. That is 5a is equal to 190 minus 120 is equal to 70. Then a is equal to 14. 70 by 5 is equal to 14. So adult fee is equal to 14 and children fee is equal to 10 rupees. Next is, Seema has only 1 rupee and 2 rupee coins with her. If the total number of coins that she has is 75 and the amount of money with her is 100 rupees, then the number of 1 and 2 rupee coins respectively are. Here the question is asking about number of 1 and 2 rupee coins. So I will take number of 1 rupee coins as X and number of 2 rupee coins as Y. So X plus Y. What is X plus Y? Total number of coins she has is 75. So total number of coins is 75 because total number of 1 rupee coins plus total number of 2 rupee coins is equal to 75. The next is total amount of money she has is 100. So total amount of money. How will you find total amount of money? How much coins, 1 rupee coins she has? X number of 1 rupee coins. So 1x plus how much 2 rupee coins she has? Y number of 2 rupee coins. So 2y. So x number of 1 rupee coins plus y number of 2 rupee coins is equal to 100. Then if you find the, here you don't have to find the matrix, because you can see x is common here, and y, you have the difference between the y, that is 2y minus y is equal to y, and 100 minus 75 is equal to 25. So you will directly get the answer from this question, that is y is equal to 25. Then what will be x? X is equal to, here y is equal to 25, then x will be 75 minus 25 is equal to 50. So you just need to form this two equation. From that you will directly get the answer. This is a simple question. There will be another difficult questions like this. Try to find out. But all these questions related to this kind of problems, that is with coins and amount of money, are very simple if you understand the logic to form this linear equations. So next is an exercise for you. Please find it yourself. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, share and like.